Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're gonna talk about how you can earn money using WordPress, which is a very interesting topic. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to use WordPress.com to its full potential, you're gonna need to pay for the subscription that costs $40 in order to access a lot of features like creating a website, installing plugins, and using them for pages, etc. No, I didn't buy this subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow my instructions and listen carefully, you're gonna be able to earn from WordPress in no time. Now for the first step is to start a blog. Create a blog on a niche topic and use affiliates, marketing, sponsored posts, or Google AdSense to monetize your content. The second thing is offer services. Build a website showcasing your skills like web design, SEO, or content writing. Use WordPress to create a professional portfolio. The third step is to sell products. Use WooCommerce to turn your site into an online store. Sell physical products, digital downloads, or even membership, just by going to WooCommerce and starting your new store right here. By clicking on start new store, now I have to remind you that you're gonna need a paid subscription. For the fourth way, you can create and sell WordPress themes or plugins. If you're a developer, design custom themes or plugins and sell them on marketplaces like ThemeForest. For additional tips, focus on building a loyal audience through quality content and use social media to drive traffic to your WordPress site. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you earn from WordPress. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.